It's the Hillbilly Honda YouTube channel. Oh, hell yeah.
What's going on, everybody? We're back working on the 1980 Honda ATC185. And we're pretty excited about this video. This is going to be the video where we tear it all the way back down. And we get all the painting done, get everything done up the way it's supposed to be. It's going to be a long video, but at the end of it, we're going to be very happy. We're going to have a finished product. It's going to be good to go. So let's get into it. So yeah, here we are at the end of the night. We got her all tore down. Got the motor on the bench again. We're going to go through and do some gasket work on top of that. It was leaking just a little bit right there. So we're going to fix that up. We got all the lines done. We've gone through and cleaned everything to the best of its ability. We got all the painting done. It's all just waiting to dry. So that's about it for this evening. Time to pick up, go eat some food, get back on it tomorrow. She looks good though, doesn't she? Heck yeah. So, Honda 1980 ATC 185 gas tank replacement. This is off of Amazon. It was right just a little bit over $100. They look quite a bit different. I'd really like to see tanks that had the old round style to them, but this is what they have out there now. So this is what you can get. It comes with everything you need to install it. Got our gas valve right there, which we've got to set all that up. Plastic, which is kind of good for the corrosion. The reason it's getting replaced because if you look in there, you can see all the rust. So I just wanted to share with everybody that this is what you get. It fit on there like a glove. Fit on there perfectly. No issues whatsoever. But this is what you get when you buy one of the online replacements for the ATCs. I'm pretty sure it's kind of the same tank, one size fits all, because it wasn't very close to the original design, but it did fit, and it is going to get us riding. So there you go. Yeah, I've got to do a little bit of sandblasting on some parts. See, I got some rust here, so we're going to go ahead and put them in a blast cabinet, blast them up, and give them a coat of paint before we put them on. It's going to be sweet. So here we go. First start. All back together. Well, we'll take her for our first test ride. See what we get. All right, first pull. Oh, it's comfortable. Man, she feels good. I think we got a whipper. It's gonna be smoky for a little bit though. Yes, sir. So, coming to the end of this video, I got to say that I've had a great time working on and building this up. It's proven to be the Honda true that you just can't kill a Honda. This thing had been through all kinds of farm life and all kinds of chaos and just came right back to life with very few amount of money. All said and done, well under $1,000 to get it back up and riding. And looking forward to riding it. Posting tons more videos of this thing getting rowdy and crazy and muddy and snowy and just all kinds of stuff coming up. So stay tuned, man. We got more videos coming, and hope you enjoyed this one.
Got it.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Tink, Hillbilly out. Oh hell yeah! Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh yeah!